Hi friends!
Hi!
I hope everyone's doing super dandy today because for today's video, we are here with a very special guest in her part of the world. We're in California. Woo! And we're going thrifting today. Here with Alexa. You guys probably all know who Alexa is. If you don't,
hello.
You should.
Where have you been?
Where are you? But today, she's going to be showing me her savers, one of the savers she goes to, and we're going to be doing a little thrift with me today. That's really it for our plans. We don't really have... Just looking for some nice things off our Pinterest, possibly.
Yeah. I feel like we're very much like wanting warm weather, not for the warm weather, but for the clothing.
Yes, I know. Little summer pieces because obviously I'm here in California, so I gotta bring it back to Canada. But that is the plan. We're just gonna go thrifting today, and hopefully it's good.
Fingers crossed.
So we just got into the savers, and so far, my impressions is the exact same as Value Village in Canada. Exact same thing. Nothing different. The signs, everything the same. Layout, same thing. So we are starting here in the long sleeves. Me and Alexa is quite busy here today. That's okay. The rows, these things, the racks are full, which is great. It's great. We like a full rack. There's winter stuff here in California. I was gonna say that. I was like, we said summer pieces, but we're here in the long sleeves. No. Yeah, we said we were gonna shop for summer pieces, but then we just went straight to the long sleeves. Calvin Klein, brand new with tags. $30. This one's kind of cute. It's also really soft. I found a shirt in my second favorite color. I said summer, but I really meant I'm shopping for everything. Okay, this is low-key really ugly, but also kind of cute. I don't know why. I kind of like it. Again, I kind of like ugly things, so I don't know. This one looks like a children's top or something, and I'm digging it, but I think the sleeves are gonna be too short. I think I have really long arms. I don't know what it is in California here, but my confidence is just like through the roof today that I feel like I could run for Prime Minister of Canada against Justin Trudeau and win. Yep. I'm in the dress section, everyone. This is the dress. Found this crochet. Crochet, I got it. Found a crochet dress. I don't know if it'll look good on me. Like, it looks really cute, but I'm just like so curious to know what it actually looks on me. But I don't think there's change rooms here. Just like Canada, there's no change rooms. But I might be able to slip it over top of like what I'm wearing right now to see if she's cute or not. Again, this is really cute, but I have no idea how to style this cutely. Yeah, no. I'll put it back. So I have a question for all you guys at home right now watching this. Are you guys a soy milk, an oat milk, or an almond milk type of person? I'm a soy milk, which I'm gonna go ask Alexa to see what she is. Soy milk, almond milk, or oat milk?
Okay, no. Like, already stop you. Almond milk, 100%. Like, soy milk is just, it's just
soy
okay.
milk, my jam.
Really?
Which I was thinking that you're gonna be an oat milk.
No, I've never tried oat milk
I was gonna
before.
say you're an oat milk kind of gal.
I feel like, I don't know, like putting, I guess a lot of people recommend oat milk and like coffee. And
that's
like,
probably what it is, the coffee.
Yeah, and I like to put my almond milk in everything, and so I feel like it's a lot of effort to buy 2 different milks for like 2 different reasons.
Yeah,
you know
it's too much work.
Yeah. Oh, I'm so sorry.
So Alexa just told me that she had a dream that she went to the thrift store and there was a full rack of overalls. So now I think it just got us both pumped. So going to the jeans now to see if there's any overalls because I'm still on the look for that perfect pair of overalls that I have not found. So these look cute. They're $2.99. The waist definitely looks a little too tiny. I'm more like a tree where I'm kind of just like no curves. These jeans I just found They're cute. Look at these. Look at these jeans. So the waist does look a little big, but no, there's no butts. There's no belt loops, so I would actually have to alter them. I'll try them on. I'm wearing a skirt. I'm wearing a skirt, and that's why it's good to wear a skirt at thrift store with no change rooms, because you can just put them underneath your skirt and try them on. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I really want to go look at the fabric and all the craft supplies, but I'm like really debating with myself if I should, because if I do find something I really like, I don't have room for it. I'm gonna have to buy a suitcase and put all my stuff in there, because I came here with no room, which was not smart. I didn't pack very well. I didn't even bring shorts to California. Yeah, not a smart packer, but I don't know, my urge is just telling me to go look. Good news, everyone. The fabric section sucks. So I feel like we're good. We're gonna try on some of these clothes in like the corner, because there's no change rooms here, just like Canada. I think it's all Savers and all Value Villages. So we're just gonna put these on kind of over top of our clothes maybe a little bit, or just like sort through them and then see what we want, I guess. Hi, Alexa. So I didn't find that many things, so I'm not gonna show you all of them, because I only have 4 things in my cart. So if I showed you all of them, then there wouldn't be a point of the haul, and I want to do a haul at Alexa's house. But first thing I'm going to try on and see if it fits. And I know nothing, okay, one thing I picked up was summery, but everything else is wintry. So I'm officially changing this thrift with me to thrifting for things I can wear back in Canada. I'm starting to sweat in here, it's hot. This one's comfy. Yeah. I do like red on me. I do like red. I feel like red is kind of my color. I've always stuck away from red because I'm pink. My face is pink, my skin is pink, and it just makes me look more pink. But now I'm just embracing my pinkness, and I like red now. I need to go find a mirror. I need to go see what this looks like. Okay, it looks kind of cute in the mirror, so maybe I'll get it. Got to stick to the haul to find out. My shoes will fit.
Wow, I'm actually surprised with the like.
I know. I think because they're like not that tight, these jeans. Whoa, they fit.
Oh, those are so cute. I feel like you definitely have like a 70s type of. I don't think you necessarily always like dress in 70s style, but I feel like it looks really good on you.
I like a little 70 like edge maybe. But yeah, these are comfy.
They're like cute and comfy.
I know. I'm so excited.
Hey, skirts over jeans. It's coming back.
It's coming back. I'm rocking it. Getting those pants off was really hard work. I'm actually breaking a sweat. Can you see? Okay, see? I don't think you can see. It looks like I'm glowing, I guess. I'm glowing, but really I'm just sweating from trying to take pants off. Should have worn my bathing suit to this place. Oh gosh, dang. Whoa, those are cool cowboy boots.
Oh, I know, right? I saw them and I was like, oh. I've been seeing cowboy boots a lot lately.
I officially have a really sweaty stash under here. Like, real sweaty. Like, I can feel driplets a little bit. I'm honestly just debating just buying everything here so I don't have to try it on. Got my hair up. I feel better now. I just had a feeling I needed to put my hair up today because it's going to be warm.
Oh, that's cute. It's a crochet dress. Yeah.
I don't know. I feel like this one I have to go look in a mirror, so maybe I'll walk over with Alexa. Should I walk over like this? Low-key love it, low-key hate it. Oh no. Okay, friends, we're back in the car now, and we did really well. You did really well, right?
Yeah.
You got a few things. I didn't see what you got, so I'm excited to see the haul. I don't think you saw what I...
No, I have literally no idea.
Yeah, so I ended up getting a couple things, and they're not summer. I changed it halfway. I was like, I'm not shopping for summer. I am shopping for winter because that's what it is back home. So I got a few things that I'll show you guys in the haul, and then if you guys want to see Alexa's haul and her side of the thrift with me, because we both were thrifting, you have to see her video. But I'm excited to see what you got and show you what I got. Yay! Okay, friends, we are here. We are at Alexa's. We're not in my place, which you guys already know. If you watch Alexa's videos, then you already know that too. But we're here. We have my items for the thrift haul. I ended up getting 2 items, and neither were summer pieces. I guess I can say spring because when I get back to Canada, it's not going to be this warm.
Probably best. I mean, to be honest.
It's probably because our summer is like 2 months of the year, and cold is 10. So,
Oh my god.
you know, it's more practical.
Yeah.
Okay, I went for practicality with this. But first item I'm going to show you guys is a sweater right here, and it's just like a zip-up sweater, and I just felt it, and it was just really soft. It's like 100% cotton. It's knit. You guys know I love knit things, and I just like gravitated to everything knit in this world. So I found this one. It's like a nice little cropped one. It's not too long, and I just recently been liking the color red. I've never been a red type of gal because my skin tone. This last year, I've been liking red. So I picked this one up. This one is from NY & Co, New York & Company. And it was only $5.
Oh, that's really good.
I know, it was
Yeah.
like $5 for a sweater.
Gosh.
I was pretty stoked about this one, especially because it had a zipper. I like zippers.
Like the collar, like it's not a proper, it's not a turtleneck, it's not like
Best of all worlds here.
I like that. It's interesting because like I'm also, which even though we have two different like skin tones and undertones, like I also am like, I have a conflicted relationship with the color red. Like sometimes I like it. I feel like being blonde, like it does look good.
I feel like it does look good with like, you know, it's really pops with the blonde.
Yeah. I'm excited to see you like rock that.
For the next item and the final item, I definitely went light with this thrift haul, which is good for my suitcase, because I honestly thought in the middle, I was like, okay, if I find something really cool, do I buy another suitcase? Like, it probably would be worth it, but I ended up just getting these two. I ended up putting a few things back, but next item is the pair of pants you guys saw me try on, and I was so excited to find these pair of pants because they're high-waisted, they feel comfy. And they also have
it's
like a comfy
texture,
denim. And then it also has this detail here at the bottom. Don't really know what it is, but I liked it.
Very cool. It's kind of like, would you say this is a flare?
Yeah, it was. It's a flare pants. I say plants sometimes. And it's like a nice relaxed fit. It's not too skinny, because I find a lot of time when you go to the thrift store, you find a flared one. It's like tight and then flared. Yeah. Well, I like more, you know, a casual, relaxed flare. And I think I found the pair.
They were really cute, honestly, and I think that's amazing. Again, like thrifting denim in general can be like so hard, and you tried them on. Obviously, you're wearing a skirt, but like I forgot my measuring tape. I have like 5 measuring tapes, and I always forget it.
Bring it. Yeah, I always forget it.
Every time. So amazing that it fits you like perfect.
Like the waist is a little big, but I was like, maybe it's supposed to be a little lower waist.
And like comfy. Yeah.
I'm all about comfy. So if it's tight, usually I just never wear it. But this one's from Judy's Fashion.
Ooh.
So I don't know.
Don't know.
Fashion.
No. I feel like it's a juniors brand because it says size 11, and I feel like size 11 are junior brands. Junior brands.
Yeah. No pockets and no
butt pockets.
Belt loops. Belt loops. Yeah. These ones were $12.49.
I feel like the 2 pieces that you got were like you know, like I feel like they were very you. There was only 2 pieces, but like those are like the best things. Yeah.
Exactly. Like 2 pieces I will actually wear and enjoy. Well, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed thrifting with me and Alexa. And if you haven't watched her video yet, you didn't come from her channel, go over to her channel and watch our video we did together on her of her thrifting and her haul to see what she got. I already saw it, and it was a good one. It was a good one. That's it. That's all I have to say today.
That's it. This was great. This was awesome. This was amazing. Literally, thank you so much, Jenna, for allowing me to be on your channel. Yeah. We literally filmed our first collab a year ago. And
I
it's
know.
Like full circle.
We were talking about that. We're like, last March.
It's crazy.
We did a collab, and now this March, we're in person finally doing a collab, which is so exciting. So thank you so much for thrifting with me today, inviting me to your home, inviting me to your thrift stores, and showing me around. It was great. Yay! That's it. So I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!